Claudia Tapia, and I'm the Director of Development for the Social Justice Sewing Academy. And this is...
I'm Brian, and I'm one of the artists that joined the Social Justice Academy.
So our organization is about introducing textile art to young people and combining that with conversations around social justice. So we facilitate workshops where we talk to young people about what social justice looks like on a global, national, and a local level. And after having those conversations, they sketch an image that's related to a topic or issue that they'd like to focus on, and then they recreate that image using fabric, and the fabric that we use is donated from volunteers, you know, far and long away, and you know, people donate to our organization, and the students have an opportunity to you know, use those textiles to communicate a message that they care about. And after they finish that process, the block is mailed out to a person who's signed up on our website to be an embroidery volunteer, and they embroider the block, you know, adding to it anything that they feel will heighten or you know, empower the message of the young person. So we grant them creative license to add to it in any way that they see fit. And after that, they send it back to us, and another volunteer pieces the quilt together, and then ultimately the quilts go to be seen by audiences to start conversations around social justice, and also to spread the message that young people do care about, you know, things that are going on in the world.